Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring a feature introduced in iOS 18, the Hidden Apps folder. We'll show you how to locate and unhide apps, then remove them either directly from your home screen or using the Settings app. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover today. Step 1. Find the Hidden Apps folder. Step 2. Unhide the apps. Step 3. Remove the app completely. Option A. Delete directly from the home screen. Option B. Delete via the Settings app. We'll discuss each step in detail and then start the process. Let's dive in. Step 1 is all about finding your hidden apps. In iOS 18, when you hide an app, it isn't deleted, it's simply moved into a designated folder within your app library. Here's how to locate it. 1. Swipe left on your home screen until you reach the app library. 2. Scroll to the bottom, you'll see a folder labeled Hidden. 3. Tap the hidden folder and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now that you know where your hidden apps are stored, let's move on. Step 2 is to unhide the app you want to remove. To do this, 1. Inside the hidden folder, locate the app you wish to unhide. 2. Long press on the app icon until a menu appears. 3. Select Don't require Face ID. This action will move the app from the hidden folder to your recently added folder in the app library. 4. For easier access, search the app and long press to move on home screen. With the app now visible, you're ready for deletion. Option A. If the app is now visible on your home screen or in the recently added folder, you can delete it directly. 1. Press and hold the app icon until a quick action menu appears. 2. Tap delete app and confirm when prompted. 3. Note, if the app is a system app or protected, you might receive a message that it can't be deleted. Option B. Alternatively, you can remove a hidden app through the Settings app. This is useful if you prefer managing apps from a list. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Go to General iPhone Storage. 3. Scroll through the list until you find the hidden app you want to remove. Hidden apps can appear in this list. 4. Tap on the app, then select Delete app and confirm the deletion. This method works well if you want a different way to manage and remove apps directly from your device's settings. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. Make sure you're running iOS 18. Earlier versions don't support the hidden apps folder feature. If an app doesn't offer a delete option, it might be a built-in system app that cannot be removed. For apps hidden via screen time restrictions, you may need to temporarily disable those restrictions by going to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions before deleting them. These tips should help ensure a smooth process. And that's a wrap. Today we covered how to find hidden apps, unhide them, and then remove them using either the direct home screen method or via the Settings app. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on iOS 18. Have any questions or extra tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.